Hello everyone, my project name is Home Automation using Arduino Uno R3 and PIR sensor. It is based on IoT. So it's basically works upon whenever a human motion is detected, and if the amount of light is less, the bulb automatically start glowing, and if there is sufficient light in the room, the bulb won't glow even after the human motion is detected. So I use Tinkercad site to make its circuit diagram and stimulate its performance. My name is Ashwin Singh. As you can see, my Tinkercad account. So I click on circuits, and this is my home automation project. As you can see, I tinker this. So this is the circuit of my project. It has many components, like this is Arduino, this is PIR sensor, a light bulb, this is our power supply, this is relay SPDT, this is photoresistor, and this is a normal resistor. I use different color of leads to show the connections. So the power terminal of PIR sensor is connected to the 5-volt terminal of Arduino Uno, and ground terminal of PIR sensor is connected to the ground. Then I have connected the third terminal of PIR sensor to the D10 slot. Now then I have connected the bulb to the first slot for the connection, and then to the power supply and relay SPDT to the following connections. Then I have connected photoresistor to the first terminal of Arduino Uno, second terminal to the ground, and resistor to the photo resistor. I have connected resistor with the photoresistor, so there can be a resistance between Arduino Uno and photoresistor. Now we can talk about its coding part. So here it is code. You can see I have written 22 lines of codes for this to program Arduino to perform the following task: that whenever there is no sufficient light to see, the bulb read the bulb automatically glow and read the human motion. So now I will stimulate it for you. So the simulation has started. Now you can see when I click on photoresistor, there is a bar which shows full brightness and no brightness. So it is on no brightness, so it means there is no light in the room. When I click on PIR sensor, it is the human. When I move it, the PIR sensor detects the human motion and the bulb starts glowing. But when I click on photoresistor and full the brightness in the room, then I click on PIR sensor, and if this time human interacts, the bulb won't glow because there is sufficient light in the room to see. So this is my Tinkercad project. It can be used in power saving, uh, in large scale as well as in small scale projects. Thank you.